Alright, so these are the ornaments that I have left over from last year. I feel like I should be able to decorate these the way that I want to. So here I have the disc ornaments, and then I have the actual just regular ornament balls. And so that is what I'm going to be creating today. I do have one larger, as you guys can see here. This one came from the dollar store. I won't be decorating this one as this one is just an extra in here, but I do have plenty of discs, which make easier for me to do some Cricut designs on, and then the ball ones make it really difficult to do Cricut designs on, but I'm going to show you guys how to do that in case you want to use your own ornaments or make them yourself for your tree, to decorate your home and to decorate your Christmas tree. Alright, so let's get ready to decorate. I usually take the tops off, and I only buy plastic ones because I feel like with the glass bottles, or the glass ornaments I should say, it is so difficult to not know whether you're going to break it or anything. And of course people love plastic because it can always be reused. If it breaks, it has to be fixed. So what I'm going to do is show you all what I do. So I normally just take the polyacrylic and I put it in here, and I put a good amount, and then I push it in here, and that was a good amount, and I swirl it around. Make sure you get every area so you can easily do it like this. I also use a funnel that I need to pull out in order to put the glitter down in here. So as you guys can see, if it's not flowing everywhere, you didn't put enough in, which is fine. You can always add more in. So never be afraid to add too much, like this. And so swish it around really good. Make sure you roll it a little bit of everywhere. This is the great thing about having extra cups laying around, is to drain this. So alright, so now that I'm done letting it drain, and you can even give it a couple extra shakes just to make sure, you can go ahead and you'll get your funnel, stick it in, open up your glitter really quickly, or have it already opened if you're anything like me, and pour enough in that's going to get down to the bottom of this. Stick your funnel back in here because that's where we want to put this back at, and you're going to shake the glitter all around this ornament. What you can do is, since you already have it plugged in, is shake it down to the point where you are covering that whole ornament. Feel free to tap it to get all the excess out, and then you can let this dry, but you also can go ahead and put back in the top and put the top on it. You can also put some ribbon up here, and like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to decorate some of these. So I will use the ones that I've already done just to show you guys how to decorate. Alright, so now I'm going to take the ornaments and I'm just going to pick one and show you guys how to decorate these, because you can easily buy the Cricut machine and make these yourself. So I've already put together what design I want. I am waiting on it to print, and then what I have to do is take it off of the mat and cut it down underneath, and then peel it off, and you guys will see that the letter will come out. This is what's going to go in the background, and in the front part is going to be the name. So I do have to weed out the pieces in the A and then in the other A, and then it'll be ready for me to put on to the actual ornament. So I'm going to be using some transfer tape to put onto the ornament. So this is how you transfer your vinyl on there. And so this is how I like to decorate my house, by making new ornaments every year. And I also make these and sell them at my job. I also post them over on Instagram. I do charge about $3 to $5 per ornament, and then these are just ornaments that I put on my tree every year. And I do have quite a few already placed in my ornament container that will be going back on my tree this year, while I get to add this beautiful one right here. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box down below, as well as giving the host a subscribe and commenting down below. Thanks for watching.